Okay, it is that time again to open anonymous cardboard boxes that arrive in the mail. You ready, Blitz? He is set. Let's do it. All right. No, I'm good, Blitz. You just stay there. Comfy and cozy. Hanging out by the heater. Come apart pretty easy, Blitz. Despite not having a proper knife. Too lazy to go get one. The Leatherman is coming through in a pinch. As it does. Check it out, Blitz. Look at that. My friend, what do you think of that? Let us see. Clearly here in the middle. Looks like a 6-inch vent, or what do you call that? No idea. What do you call that? Hose, venting hose. And 2 more anonymous cardboard boxes to open. And some heavy duty strapping. Cool. And, oh, the gift that keeps on giving. 2 more anonymous boxes to open. Anonymous? Can they be anonymous? Maybe nondescript is a better word. What do you think, Blitz? Nondescript? Yeah, you agree? Alright, let's see. What else we got? So far, we have a thing that we don't know a name of. Hosey type slinky thing. And here, Blitz is doing his morning yoga. It's a downward dog. Oh my, look at that. Look at that. Is that ever adorable? That's a cute little 6-inch filter. I love it. Beautiful. And then last, but certainly not least, what's up, big boy? Oh, you wanna go up there, pal? Here. Oh, you can go up there. There we go. I've done it. Ta-da! It's a miracle. Blitz is awestruck. Look at that funky orange color. Beautiful. Spiderfarmer mixed flow inline fan. What do you think of that? And the intelligent controller, which I will say again is the most exciting part of these new fan filter combos. So, Spiderfarmer has sent me a farm filter combo. 6-inch to replace the one that is currently in my 6x4 tent. And it is older. It would certainly would have been time to replace the carbon filter at the very least. And being older, it's a little bit heavier, but beyond that, there are screws in there. Did you see that catch, Blitz? You can't say you're not impressed. But the reason I would upgrade, and I would recommend to anyone upgrading, is just this beautiful thing, and that is the controllers, because it just makes it so easy to provide a safeguard. And even ranges, like your top and bottom ranges, where you can be setting your fan filter system to be safeguarding you against high humidity and high temperature issues. All thanks to these little boxes. So there we go. We have a couple sensors. Looks like one sensor. Oh no, oh yeah, one sensor. That there. So that's the unboxing. It's a 6-incher. It's fairly light considering it's pretty big. And funky cool orange color. Yeah. Looks like a fan. And a little bit smaller filter than my other 6-inch. I don't know if this is the way they're going now with the slightly shorter ones, but it does make it a lot easier to fit it into places, because my other one is this long when you put the fan and the filter together, and this one will be a little bit shorter, a little more convenient, I think, to tuck into places. Still a big fat filter. And I don't know how much hosing we have there. It looks like a fair amount. Can't tell by that. And that 150. 150. Don't know what that would be. 150 centimeters? Oh, that doesn't make sense. Inches. So, and it comes with instructions. So there we go. Oh my goodness, pardon me. I was up on my roof digging under my shingles, so I got tar all over, cuts and everything. So, thank goodness it's not a manicure video. But otherwise, that's it. Blitz, you got anything to say? Yeah, he just wants to go outside. But otherwise, that's the unboxing, and I'll give you a peek once it's set up and hanging in the tent, which shall be soon. That's it for now. Blitz is out of here. GoPro, stop recording.
Before we check out my fabulous installation job, a quick shout out to spiderfarmer for providing me with this fan to try. If you're looking for a fan or anything spiderfarmer, there's a link below in the description. And if you haven't tried one of these controllers, they are super simple to use. Plug and play, as they say, and a must in my opinion. Alright, let's see how I did. Okay, so not my prettiest install, but a little credit for the bungee matching the fan color. But that's it for now. GoPro, stop recording. I'll see you next time.